Especially for lawyers. Public Notice April 1, 2019 by Anna von Reitz. This goes out to every American and to every United States citizen and to every lawyer in America. Let's all get this straight once and for all. No incorporated entity can be a sovereign entity. By definition, all incorporated entities are created by a charter or other written covenant granted by a sovereign entity or some higher-level parent corporation, which is in turn granted a charter or covenant by a sovereign entity. There may be layers upon layers of different trusts and foundations and C Corp and S Corp and LLCs and only God knows what else, but at the end of the day, all the corporations in the world owe their existence to a sovereign, and not a single corporate entity is sovereign. Not one. Therefore, when you have an incorporated entity pretending to be a sovereign government and claiming such things as sovereign immunity, you've got an obvious fraud going on. When you have an incorporated entity pretending to be an agent of a sovereign government and exercising authority as if it were a sovereign entity, yet it has no valid authorization, again, you've got a fraud going on. None of these federal corporations and none of their states of state organizations are sovereign entities. They have no sovereign immunity. They have no authorization to act as sovereign entities on our shores. Any such presumption is a violation of the constitutions owed to our states of the Union. These entities are renegade foreign commercial corporations traded on the stock exchanges, acting as taxpayers with EINs and TINs and cage numbers and Dun & Bradstreet and Standard & Poor's ratings. FBI, Inc. BLM, Inc. United States Government, Inc. State of New York, Inc. IRS, Inc. Internal Revenue Service, Inc. State of Colorado, Inc. Ad infinitum. These are all foreign incorporated governmental service contractors that are supposed to be providing the services stipulated under their respective constitutions. The only thing confusing about this is that there are two groups of them operating at the same time: territorial corporations that use the upper and lower case naming conventions, like the state of Wisconsin, and municipal corporations that use the Roman all capitals letters style, state of Wisconsin. One set of these corporations is run by the British territorial United States government. The other set is run by the municipal United States Congress. And none of them are sovereign entities with respect to us, and neither one suddenly morphed into anything that can claim to be our government just because they are under contract to provide governmental services to our states of the Union. Please take notice of these facts and conduct yourselves accordingly, or risk being accomplices to fraud and other crimes. Please hit subscribe, like, share, embed, and get ready for many more of my article videos.